Here is a demo of how to engrave the watch. First thing we'll do is we have everything set up in our jig, and we're going to set the engraving bit to the center. We have our handheld pendant, and we're going to push our Z button, and we're going to bring that down. So it's just about on the top. Okay, and from there we're going to push the Z button again, which is going to allow us to have our joystick for X and Y. I'm going to bring it back in the middle, right about there. And we're going to look at it this way, make sure that's good. That looks good. Take our Z, push the Z button again. Now you can see we're in our Z function. Bring it down to just about touches the top, which is there. And from there, that sets our Z height. And we'll push the check button. Brings it up to the top. Next thing we got to do is enter those coordinates in so the machine knows where it is. That's the screen when you go File, New. From File, New, we're going to enter the dimensions of the plate. And I'm just going to set this one for 0.75 by ½ inch. We're going to go to our next icon here. We're going to select this right here, which is the floating center. Floating center is asking for our X and Y coordinates. From here we're going to enter those in. Our first coordinate is 0.5686, 0.686, and our Y coordinate is 4.175, and we're going to check button. There's our engraving area, and from there we're just going to tell it what the height is. Because we're doing small characters, 0.05 is our height, which is right there. Enter, and we're just going to do it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Alright, I'm going to take all this, change that over to a block, click back on there. It's all there. We have everything that we need. We're going to click our engraving page. As you can see, there's our coordinates, there's our height. We're going to put the rotary bit on, and we're going to engrave this nice and slow. What we have to do here is, this is the height adjustment for how far down we're going to go below Z. I'm going to set this to 0.05. That's all set, and we're going to send it to the machine by hitting run. Right, receiving, and from there we just push our green button, and there it goes. And that's all there is to it.